Welkom terug, maats. Vandag gaan ons die b-woorde leer.
Hi everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to learn an English sound b.
B, b. Ek gaan elke woordjie 3 keer lees en jy herhaal na my. I'm going to read each word 3 times and then you can repeat after me. Ball, ball, ball. Now you can read. Bath, bath, bath. Bed, bed, bed. Bus, bus, bus. Blonde, blonde, blonde. Bowl, bowl, bowl. Bee, bee, bee. Book, book, book. Bunny, bunny, bunny. Boat, boat, boat. Bridge, bridge, bridge. Box, box, box. Board, board, board. Bear, bear, bear. Bow, bow, bow. Build, build, build. Bug, bug, bug. Blouse, blouse, blouse. Blue, blue, blue. Bun, bun, bun. Bull, bull, bull. Right guys, we are going to read a few sentences now. Ons gaan gou 'n paar sinne lees. Ek gaan eers lees en dan herhaal jy na my. Here is the bed. I see the board. This is a
ball, look at the bridge. Now read the sentences on your own. Goed maats, nou kan julle die sinne alleen lees. Baie mooi maats, ek is seker julle het die sinne mooi gelees.
Voltooi nou die volgende sinne met woordjies wat begin met 'n b.
B,
Complete the following sentences by using words that you've learned today. Baie mooi. Well done everybody. Kom ons lees nog een keer deur die woordjies om seker te maak dat jy hulle goed ken.
B, bed, bus, ball, bath, bear, bug, bun, book, board.
Kom ons kyk of julle nou self die woordjies kan lees. Let us see if you can read the words all on your own. Baie mooi maats, ek hoop julle ken julle woordjies nou. We are going to play a little game now. You are going to identify what is in the picture and say the word. What is this? Yes, it's a bear. What is this? It's a bed. What is this? It's a ball. What is this? It's a bug. What is this? It's a bun. What is this? Yes, it's a bee. What is this? It's a bridge. What is this? Yes, it's a bowl. And what is this?
It's a boat. What is this? You are right, it's a bath. What color is the flower? You are right, it is blue. Baie mooi, maats. Well done, everybody. You did an amazing job today. Maats, volgende keer gaan ons nog 'n klankie byleer. Next time we will learn a new sound in Afrikaans. Well done, everybody, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. Please be safe and be blessed. Bye.